Hey guys, it's Tricia and welcome or welcome back to my channel. As you can tell from the title and the thumbnail, today I am going to be bringing you guys along with me as I attempt to sew again after maybe about a year and a half, almost 2 years, and I'm just going to go ahead and wing it. I'm not going to use any patterns or anything like that. Just going to go ahead and wing it today. But before we go ahead and get started, please make sure to like and comment on this video, and also make sure you hit that red button to subscribe to my channel for more beauty, lifestyle, and fashion content. Also, be sure to turn on your post notifications so that YouTube notifies you every time I post a new video. Now, without further ado, let's go ahead and get started. Okay, so for this video, since it's been a while and I'm pretty sure I'm a tad bit rusty when it comes to sewing, I am just using this fabric that I bought. I did buy this fabric in bulk. It was on sale somewhere. I really don't know where I got it from. Probably Joann's. I don't really know. But I'm going to be using this one today just to see and knock the dust off my skills. It's just this red fabric. It does have a little stretch to it. So I think I'm just going to make like some shorts and a cute little top or something. I honestly don't really know yet. I'm just gonna go ahead. I definitely know I want to make some shorts simply because it's hot and I just want to have stuff to wear around the house. So I feel like what would be a better project for me than to try to make stuff to wear around the house. So here we are. I'm gonna go ahead and get started. I'm gonna lay this fabric out and then just go ahead and trace around some shorts that I already have. Okay, so I have this doubled, so it'll create 2 layers. I'm just gonna trace the front and trace the back of these shorts, and these are just regular old biking shorts, and I try to get the seams matched up as best I could to make sure everything fits the same. Everything is done for this side. Now I'm just gonna turn the shorts the other way and then do the same thing on the other side for the other legs. Alright, so I did go ahead and mark a big F on here. I only made it this big so that y'all could see it, but I put an F on here to let me know that this is the front part. So if you notice, like the curve here, you see how it's longer than the curve here? So it's like that to accommodate for your butt, okay? Okay, so now we got a front piece and a back piece, and remember this is doubled, so it's gonna be 2 pieces of the back, 2 pieces of the front, and now we can go ahead and cut it out. Okay, so now we have a front side and the back side. I am going to go ahead and cut out the piece for the waistband now. Yeah, I'm going to go ahead and cut out the piece for the waistband so that when I start sewing, I can just continue sewing, don't have to go back to cutting. But this is for the shorts. After we finish this, I'm going to go ahead and go to the top, okay? Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and start on the shorts. Again, I'm going to sew up both sides of them, and then I will do the crotch part after I finish sewing up both sides of them, okay? Okay, so now that we got both legs sewn together, I'm just gonna go ahead and trim off all of these little things and then trim this a little bit closer. You want to trim that, but don't trim it too close because that's how you get holes. And also check and make sure everything is sewn together. A few times I sewn things and realized that they didn't sew together, so I had a hole, and that's not cool. And I can already tell y'all, I realized I already made a mistake because you really supposed to sew like stretchy fabric with a zigzag stitch, and as y'all can see, I sewed with a straight stitch the whole way through. but it's gonna be okay. So all you do is you technically fit one inside of the other one, and the right side should technically be facing together on the new on the insides, because you flipped one inside out and left the other one the same, and you put one inside of the other one. Okay, and then we matched up the seams right here, and now we're going to go ahead and sew this whole U, which is this part, which is going to connect both legs. Okay, so here is the moment of truth, you guys. So you're going to open this up, and then you're just going to take the leg out. And then you should have a pair of shorts, girl. You got a pair of shorts. You definitely have a pair of shorts at this point. So now all we have to do is put the waistband on and hem it up, and then we're done. This right here, it always happens to me. Always do. I just kind of trim it up to make it even, and then I put the waistband on. And that's simply because I don't measure. I just kind of eyeball it or whatever. So you're gonna go through, you're gonna have everything the right side facing together. I'm sorry, the right side facing you, and then you can go in and attach your waistband upside down like this. Put it in there same way, and then just go ahead and start pinning it. Okay, so now that we got the waistband sewn on, we're gonna go ahead and put this elastic into this elastic. Close it up, and now we're gonna feed it all the way through the little hole we left open. Okay, so now my elastic is all the way through. I'm just gonna put it together and then go ahead and sew over where the elastic overlap, and I'm sewing that with a zigzag stitch. Okay, so now that I am done with the shorts, I did go ahead and put a hem on there. I call myself putting a decorative hem on it, but whatever. I'm just going to go ahead and trim off all the extra thread, and then I am going to move on to the shirt. Now, I'm not going to bore y'all with step by step with the shirt. It's pretty much the same thing as the shorts. Outline, cut, sew, and then done. So I'm just going to be using a little tank top that I already have to start my shirt, and then I'll come back to y'all when I'm all done. Okay, so I have finished all the hemming on the shirt, and I absolutely hate it. So it's like wavy, it don't stay straight. I don't like it. So what I'm going to do is I have some elastic that I already measured and cut. I'm going to put this in here and make this more of the almost like sports bra crop top kind of top. Okay, you guys, I finally finished with this little lounge outfit. I think it turned out okay. If I had to rate it, I would probably give it like a 6 out of 10, simply because the shirt is okay, but not my favorite. Just having to fix mistakes in the shirt. But the shorts I absolutely love. They fit so well. So go ahead and leave me a comment and let me know what you think of this outfit. I will be doing more, but this is the end of this video. So I hope you enjoyed it. Make sure you go ahead and like this video, leave a comment, and subscribe to my channel if you're not already subscribed for more beauty, lifestyle, and fashion content. Thank you for watching. Bye.